30,000 options contracts done 1 hour ago at 10:04 a.m. What do they mean? In this video, we are going to go over these unusual options to determine what the large investor is trying to do so that perhaps we can follow them. Today is May 5, 11:32 a.m. And when we look at this 16 June expiring options at the 10 strike puts, you'll notice there's also a couple of more down here as well. And so what is it looking like? What is the exact total? So we look here at the options chain. You'll see here at the June 16th, there's actually 52,000 of them today in total. That's the volume today. Very large volume. Definitely open orders because the current open interest is only at 13,000. And so we are also in this position. The delta is at 14. And it's also just 42 days away. So the theta decay isn't that high. And they're very cheap right now, going for just $21 at this moment in time, when originally the large investor paid $27. You'll see. So that's going for a better deal because at that time Warner Brothers was at $12. And now it's at 12.3. It has come up a little bit, so these puts are now cheaper. But such aggressive buying of these puts, you'll see here at $27 when the market was 22 to 23. They paid more, even more for that at the ask, a higher amount. And so this is very unusual. And so when we look at the chart of WBD, you'll see here that for earnings, it had just reported earnings. It had, and so we're sitting at about this price point. And the idea behind this is that it is going to continue to go down. We are in a downtrend, as you can see, and now we're hitting this critical support level because we saw here on this day this held as a support back in January 19, and so it bounced up after it came down. It bounced up from here, and so is this going to hold or will it break down? And this large institutional investor who paid that 27, if you multiply that amount by how much they actually paid, there's 30,240 contracts. You multiply that by $27, so they paid about $800,000. They could have also been the same institution that put on these other ones as well, because these were actually very close in time. You'll see that just 1 second away, right? So it leads us to believe that this is the same institution that's putting this on. So it could be that those 50,000 contracts could also just be all that one large investor. So it's well above 800,000. We think it's at least 1 million, because if you calculated if you used 50,000, then you would end up should be more than 1 million. You see that 1.3 million. So quite a lot of shorts by buying these put options after the after earnings. So keep in mind this was after earnings. It has already been reported this morning, and then these shorts came on. So that is quite unusual. So let's we'll be like watching this June 16 is about here where they expire. So we'll see, does this continue to go down, and especially dropping below that 10 strike puts. Here's the 10 strikes, and you'll see here at the beginning of the year it was below 10. So will it go back down there? And we'll find out by June 16. Okay. Hope this video was helpful. And please comment and let us know what you think, and smash that like button. Take care, everybody.